welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. And again, thank you for being here. I hope that if you are new, you will subscribe and join our YouTube family. And that way you will also be able to see any future videos that we do, unboxings, reviews, hauls, all kinds of fun stuff. And don't forget, if you are already subscribed or you are new and you subscribe, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, and I will put a link below to get you over to enter that contest. It is getting pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. Stuff keeps getting added to the box. I actually had to go to a bigger box. But anyway, we are here today, as you can see from the description below. I finally received my Ricky's Cult Crush for August 2018. So, we are going to dive in here and see what this box is all about. Love our little box cutter. And for those of you that do not know, Ricky's Cult Crush is $14.95 a month. It is a monthly subscription. I do believe, I could be wrong, do not hold me to this, I do believe that they have announced that after September, they're going to kind of take a break from the subscription box. So after September, it may not be available. Like I said, don't hold me to that, but that's just kind of what I've heard. So, anyway, when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Bubble wrap. And I see squigglies. I love my squigglies. And the first thing is the card, which has all of the items on the back. And so let's just dive in and we will use the card as a reference. The first thing I see here on top is a rose sheet mask. Rose water infused hydrating sheet mask. So that is awesome. Let's see what it says here. This rose water infused sheet mask gives your skin the hydration it needs to beat the heat. Enjoy it on a day off when you're looking to calm and refresh your complexion. All right. Like a sheet mask. Try to do at least once or twice a week. So, next, we have got OMG Pulling Gel. This Bye Bye Blackheads. This unique gel gently exfoliates your skin in a two-step process. First, it emits a warm sensation to open up your pores. Then, the strawberry seeds work to remove blackheads and dead skin cells. Wow. Let's take a look at this. So this is the packaging out of the box. And we have a safety seal. Love safety seals. Smells like strawberry. Oh, it looks almost like a jelly. You guys see? It almost looks like a jelly. Like it's stretchy. And there are little strawberry seeds in there. Yeah, it definitely smells like strawberry. Have to give that a try. Now I don't know what to do with my fingers. We'll use the card. As long as I don't pick it back up and get it back on my fingers. I wouldn't put that past myself. All right. So that was the first two. It smells so good. But, okay. So it's not, it says peeling gel. I'm sorry, I just thought about that. Apply a dime-sized amount of gel on clean, damp nose. Gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. For more intense exfoliation, pair with I'm Buddy Mini Brush. Recommended to use 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, so it's actually, I thought it would be like the charcoal mask. We peel it off, but it's not. Okay, these are cute. Some no crease hair clips. Used by top makeup artists and hairstylists alike, Ricky Care no crease clips are designed to hold back sections of hair during makeup application or hairstyling. The clip's design properly distributes weight and tension, providing a secure hold with a weightless feel. Once removed, the hair is left with no creases or dents. It's no wonder they've quickly become a New York Fashion Week backstage staple. Okay, that's cool. Pin the hair back when putting our makeup on, which I actually did my hair today. I think this is the first time you guys are seeing my hair because it's normally in my mom bun. All right, let's see what. Ooh, this is pretty. Ella and Mila. This is a very beautiful nail polish. This gorgeous red nail color will make you fall in love over and over again. With a tint of coral, it's summer and fall friendly, vegan and cruelty free, and dries quickly so you don't have to miss a beat. This is not red, you guys. It says with a tint of coral. It's like a corally, it's definitely way more coral, but it's beautiful. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm excited about that. The name of the color is Wild About You. So, a nail polish. Awesome. The box. And we have one last item in here. And this is by Girlactic. Ooh. Matte lip paint in the color Posh. That ooh, very soft. That is a beautiful, beautiful fall color. Like, beautiful fall color. So that was our Ricky's Cult Crush for August 2018. So we got the Girlactic lip gloss lipstick. What was it called again? Lip paint in Posh. We got this beautiful nail polish. This really cool strawberry blackhead remover stuff. Sorry. We got the rose water infused. Did you see that? It just flopped right on over. this rose water infused sheet mask and these Ricky's Care No Crease hair clips. So I would say it's a decent box. For $14.95, yeah, I think it's a decent box. I mean, I've heard wonderful things. I don't think I have anything Girlactic, but I could be wrong. But I'm excited to have this, and like I said, you guys, this color is absolutely beautiful and absolutely a fall color. So, yay. So that's it, you guys. That was our fall box, or not our fall box. My mind is I'm so ready for fall, you guys, that is all that I can think about is fall. I'm ready for it to be cool and to have pumpkins and mums. I'm over the heat and the humidity. So, I apologize. That was our August 2018 Ricky's Cult Crush box. So, again, thank you so much for being here and taking the time to watch this video. If you have not already, again, please do subscribe so you do not miss any future videos. And once you do, make sure to enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It ends on September 30th. Losing my voice. And until the next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.